Welcome back. Today what I want to talk about is why review sites are a problem. And the problem with review sites is that a typical business hears from 4% of its dissatisfied customers. And from the research and data that we've been able to gather from the clients using our product is that about 95% of the feedback that a business gets is positive, which means that only 5% of the feedback is negative. And if you're only hearing from 4% of 5%, that means that Yelp, Google, Facebook, whatever, typically on average is only a reflection of 0.2% of your customers. Now, do you think that that's an accurate reflection of your business? Of course it's not. And so really, the problem isn't the review sites itself. The problem is that inside of our business, we don't actually have an effective feedback process. Because if we had an effective feedback process in which we could, figure out what the feedback was, well, we could figure out what was going on inside our business. So what we need to do as business owners is we need to create an effective feedback process inside of our business, one that allows us to capture that feedback, and then obviously if it's an issue that we take the time and energy to resolve that issue so that we can have a happy customer coming back through who oftentimes are the ones that are the most raving fans of us because we fixed a problem, because most businesses don't fix problems, they just go on to the next customer. And at the same time, if somebody's had that positive experience, that we empower them and enable them to easily share their experience online, so that what these review sites are reflecting is actually a more true representation of our business. Instead of taking that 0.2% of our customers, who we all know are the inevitable customer that will never be satisfied, instead of reflecting what their opinion is of our business, instead let's capture and display what the 95% of our customers are, which is happy, they've had a great experience, and they're going to come back and do business with us again. So by creating that feedback process inside our business, it enables us to always be in the know, and there's no surprises in our business. So we know that we're not going to get those negative reviews on those different review sites because we are tuned in to what exactly is going on with our customers, so that before it even becomes an issue that's public, we can resolve it internally. And at the same time, we're engaging with our customers who've had a positive experience with us, and we're empowering and enabling them to share their experience, their positive experience online, to be a much more true reflection of what our business is, what it's all about, how we treat our customers, and why they keep coming back to us. So if you can create that feedback system inside your business, you will have a great reputation, and everybody will know exactly what they can expect with your awesome business. And we'll dive into that in the next podcast.